Hey Larry, it's Aaron at Cross Jeep here in Louisville. Just wanted to give you a quick walk around video of this 21 Willys two-door. It's beautiful Firecracker red. Like I mentioned, it's got the new set of tires on there. This KO2 is all-terrain. And since we just got it in, it's still waiting to go through our cleanup schedule. So it's gonna get vacuumed and washed. So it's only gonna look sharper and prettier. But wanted to give you a good detailed walk around. Looks to be in really good condition overall. I'm just looking for anything that might be, that comes right off. Just cosmetic defects and things like that. Full size spare in the back as well, of course. And I think the previous owner was a dog owner, so. Of course, that back row folds down if you need to. Yeah, I'm definitely seeing some pet hair, which of course will get vacuumed out. Yeah, after a good wash, I think it's gonna look really, really sharp. Just make sure this is, yeah, it's coming right off. It's just dirt. It's just a couple small scratches here and there, but mostly looks like it's just dirt that's coming off. Of course, you got the hard top up there, and let's take a look at the interior. Seats are in good shape overall. Of course, you got the hard top. It's really nice looking Wrangler here. Glove compartment, nothing super interesting, but always good to check, of course. And USB-A, USB-C, power windows. This one is nice because with the cold weather package, I know some people love it more than others. Heated seats and steering wheel. I like it, especially the steering wheel. And we're just at 52,665 in terms of mileage. And that's it for the quick walk around. I did just take it around the neighborhood for a quick spin and drove great acceleration. So I think you'll really like it. Hopefully this was helpful, and of course reach out with any questions. And this has been your 2021 Firecracker Red Willys in this two-door edition. Thanks so much.